In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and attach an intake form in Squarespace scheduling, also known as acuity. First, open your Squarespace scheduling or acuity dashboard. This is your home base for everything related to bookings, so make sure you're in the correct account and workspace where your appointment types live. Once you're in, look for the area dedicated to forms. Depending on your version, it may be labeled forms or intake forms. This is where you'll build the questions your clients will complete during booking. Create a new intake form. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you can easily identify it later, especially if you plan to use different forms for different services. Think of this as your template for collecting information right before or during the scheduling process. Now add the questions or fields you want clients to complete. Keep your questions concise and relevant to the appointment. You can include things like short text fields for names, longer text for notes, drop-downs for selections, or checkboxes for agreements. Mark fields as required only when absolutely necessary to keep the form friendly and reduce drop-offs. If you need sensitive details, consider whether they're essential and keep your wording clear about why you're asking. Group related questions and order them from simplest to most detailed to create a smooth flow. Preview as you go so you can spot any confusing phrasing or formatting. Next, attach the intake form to the appointment type you want to use. Navigate to your appointment types, select the one that should collect this information, and connect the form you just created. If you offer multiple services, you can attach different forms to different appointment types, ensuring clients only see the questions that apply to their booking. Double check that you've selected the correct appointment type to avoid confusion for your clients. Save the form settings. This step is easy to overlook, but it's critical. Confirm that your changes are saved and that the attachment to the appointment type is active. Finally, test a booking to make sure the intake form appears correctly. Go through the booking process as a client would. Pick the appointment type, choose a date and time, and confirm that your intake form shows up at the right stage. Check that required fields behave as expected, that everything looks good on mobile, and that your questions are understandable. If anything feels off, return to the form to refine the wording or field types. Once it all looks and works right, you're ready to go live.